sip and serve with Russell's. Hey foodies! Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and delicious chicken fried rice.
Butter, shredded fried egg, thinly sliced carrots, chicken, salt, basmati rice, leeks, curry leaves, onions, eggs, pepper powder. Melt butter in a hot pan. Add egg. Toss in chopped onions and stir. Add more butter. Add chicken. Sprinkle in a pinch of salt. Throw in fresh curry leaves. Pepper powder for that spicy kick. Stir it well. Add the thinly sliced carrots and give it a good mix. It's time to add in the crunchy leeks. Now add the basmati rice. Stir everything together until the flavors dance together in the pan. Serve it hot. Garnish with fresh veggies. Enjoy this delicious dish